Okay, hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna knock things over a lot. But today, I am going to show two holiday makeup looks. And right now, I'm currently wearing the second one, that glare. This like, thing, like, that's bothering me. Okay, better. Who is calling me? I don't have time to answer the phone right now. It's my mother. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I don't remember what I was talking about, but, what was I talking about? I have no idea. Oh, but yeah, this is look number 2, yeah, that's what it was. This is look number 2 out of both of my looks. I went ahead and put on my foundation, and my, highlight and contour. I'm so forgetful. My highlight and contour, then my brow stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, it's time for look 1 of this whole Christmas duo look. The first one is gonna be like a super simple, just kind of like go shopping, go out to lunch with friends, just kind of like really like normal. Not normal. That's not what I'm looking for. But it's just gonna be a simple. That's what it's, a simple look. So I'm gonna take liquid shimmer shadow. Oh, I already had on my foundation, highlight, contour, blush, all that good stuff. Further than I'm wanting it to. But you know what? It works, I think. There we go. Yeah, this little thing that comes with some eyelashes is literally the best. I'd be hosed if I didn't have it. Yay, look, one's done. Time for look number 2. This one's more like Christmas, like holiday glam, kind of winter funness kind of look. Where was my brush? Found it. Dropped it. Yeah, this is more of a festive look. I still have on, I've got the whole foundation, highlight contour thing going on still. is just like shiny eyeshadow. Well, it's not like shiny eyeshadow. It is shiny eyeshadow. I squeezed out like way too much of my hand. I don't know what to do with all this now. Like, at all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use this to highlight my brow bone. Just look how it catches the light. I'm gonna do a little more of a dramatic liner for this. Yay, these are fun. I know I already did my highlight and contour, but this is glam, so I want more highlight. I'm scared. I made a mess. Update, covered in glitter. There's glitter everywhere. I'm screaming. aside from a cat ton of makeup. I think I'll put some a little more blush on here. On my face. No, I think I'm actually gonna use this really bright pink one and see what happens. It's gonna be fun. Okay, I'm here for it. Okay, now I think I'm done. Yeah. Alright. That was a fun hair flip. But yeah, just to finish off this look, I think I'm gonna untangle all my things. But I have these super cute earrings I got from Walmart the other day, like these. They're just like adorable. Can you see them? Big glare. Okay, here. Can you see them? Look how pretty. Look how pretty they are. Like, I love these. I'm even wearing like my little Moosey sweater. But yeah, just if you try these out, let me know how they go. And make sure you like and Make sure you like and subscribe.